everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine and I'm a beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogger. Today I'm back with some really exciting news. I am going to be sharing the results of my Lasio Hair Care challenge. So I did a video earlier about 30 days ago where I was going to do the Lasio 30-day healthy hair challenge. I was really excited about this because you need to watch the video. We'll just say hot mess. My hair was just not cooperating for the last bit. It's been a very hot, humid summer, and I definitely could feel that in my hair. My hairdresser, I think it needs to be thinned out, and my hairdresser just had a baby, so she wasn't working, and I was just feeling very blasé about my hair, and it definitely was affecting my mood. And also, too, like, it was just very time consuming to manage. So when Lasio reached out to me to do this challenge, I was like, you know what, let's give it a shot. I've never heard of this brand before, but I love trying new products and I do love trying to find something that works for my hair because it's not the easiest. So I am going to share with you my results, but also too, I just wanted to do a little refresher and a little mini review on the products they sent me. So the first product that they sent me was the Lasio Professional Hair Care Keratin Infused Hyper Silk Replenishing Shampoo. This smelled so good. I did notice that my hair smelled good for like 2 or 3 days after, which I find with most shampoos, especially like competitors' shampoos, they actually didn't last that long. Like sometimes it's like out of the shower and then you're done. This actually lasted a really long time, even after I straightened my hair. And I know after straightening my hair, sometimes I don't know, my hair like doesn't smell the best, but it did. And also too, this did not irritate my scalp. I know with a lot of shampoos, after I use it, it's like most disgusting. I have really bad dandruff. I did not have any dandruff outbreaks with this. It made me so happy. I just can't stand that. So I guess I do have a sensitive scalp and this did not irritate it. Also too, I feel like I have dermatitis on my scalp. I've never actually been diagnosed, but I do feel like I have some skin buildup on my scalp. And also this did not irritate that. So it didn't like increase any like kind of like scabbing or anything like that, or build up of plaques. So I was really excited about that. And I will definitely continue using this after this challenge because this is one of the best shampoos that I've ever tried. And these are my honest reviews. Like, this is not a paid video. I love this. So I guess in the order of when I'm showering, the next thing is this deep cacao mask. This is limited edition. Can I just say, this mask makes me hungry. It smells like the best chocolate. This is what it looks like. And I've used a fair amount, and it's, yeah, I still have quite a bit left. I like this mask. I can't say for sure what it did. I noticed my hair wasn't as dry, which was really good. I know sometimes at the end I can see the like dry follicles, so I liked this mask. I think it worked really well. It didn't seem to irritate my hair either, so I can't say exactly like how it resulted, but I think it was good. It worked really well. And the last product was the Keratin Infused Hyper Silk Replenishing Conditioner. So the sister to the shampoo. It worked really well. I really liked it. I've noticed like my hair looks very healthy and shiny, so I definitely think that that contributed to it. So those were the 3 products they sent me. I am just going to say, look at my hair. This is on day 4. I have naturally curly hair, and this worked. Like, I am so impressed. I'll insert some photos to show you, but like you can see at the roots here, like my hair is kind of like straight, but also like I have these gorgeous curls and they're so manageable. Like, this is day 4. It's been humid, it's been rainy, the weather has been terrible here, and my hair still looks like this. All I had to do today was put a little bit of oil in it. I do put my hair in braids before I go to bed, but there is no frizz. There is like, I feel like I kind of have like hair goals right now. Like, I don't even know what to say because I'm so happy. But these products definitely worked for me. In terms of growth, I didn't notice as much breakage. I will show you, like, This is the back of my hair. I think it definitely has grown because I've noticed it is a little bit further down my butt. So I can't say how many inches it did grow, but it definitely did. These products work. Like, this has been the worst summer and my hair just looks really good. Also, I'll throw in some pictures about when I straightened it, but also I noticed when I straightened it, it was like bone straight. It was very shiny. Sometimes I straighten my hair and I still notice like it's puffy up top, or it just still doesn't look really straight, but it was really straight and really shiny too. It didn't take as much time. I feel like it maybe took, generally it takes about like 35-40 minutes for me to straighten my hair. I feel like it kind of only took 20 minutes max, so it definitely cut down on the time I needed to straighten my hair, and also to day-to-day maintenance. I didn't need as much product. I really believe in these products because you can see the difference in them. I am so happy that I did this challenge, and I'm just feeling so much better about my hair. So I will put a link to these products down below. I definitely think you should try it. Like, I'm just so happy. Like, and I don't have the most easiest hair either. Like, black girl hair is never, it's never an easy task, to be honest. No matter like your curl pattern or your texture, it's always going to be some maintenance. So I can just imagine like what your hair would look like if you had naturally straight hair. It would just be that much, like, it would, these products would just work amazing. So I'm definitely really happy about this, and I think everything turned out really well. Definitely watch the before video because you will get some laughs, but I am just so happy. My goal of doing YouTube is to make sure that I do give you honest, true reviews and keep you informed about the products that I am using. So that's what I did in this video. Let me know if you think these products worked, and let me know if you are going to try them too. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also share with your friends. If you're not subscribing, do that. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. So thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.